Factor family, it's day 49, and dad supporting dads, dudes supporting dudes, teamwork. We're going to do our first 25 and then our nomination. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right. Today's nomination is Hover by Air AT. And I want to thank you guys all and thank Hover by Air AT all the way supporting all the way from Kuwait. And just want to thank you that this is going worldwide, and we're going to keep doing push-ups, keep spreading awareness for our veterans and suicide prevention. Let's do our last 25. God bless the USA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, let's go Pirates. Pagosa Pirates won tonight for Friday night game, 52-0. Love you all.